Hello! Do you want to get a dream Scandinavian style kitchen on a budget? You can create an amazing and unique kitchen without putting your saving out of control. Just watch this video and check out more than 60 simple, beautiful kitchen design ideas. You will find here exciting kitchen solutions, from simple ideas in white and black to more sophisticated ones with carefully chosen cabinets, backsplash and countertop. You will also discover kitchens so white that effectively blend in with the walls. We have chosen some of the most beautiful and high-quality Scandinavian style kitchens with a focus on both beautiful design and functionality. These creative ideas allowed you to not only design a beautiful kitchen, but to get a new and elegant kitchen that matches your dreams for ergonomics, functionality, layout and colors. All the design combine the beautiful Scandinavian minimalist styles with a warming touch and the homeowner personality. The designs are essentially based on clean lines, quality of materials, symmetry, character, and of course, sustainability. Not to mention that all of these beautiful ideas bring a smoothing atmosphere through light colors, soft neutrals, and warm nuances of wood. The room invites you to relax. Usually, Scandinavians are right about things when it comes to interior design, and of course, kitchens are no exception. These particularly beautiful kitchen design ideas are filled with smart and creative ideas. There are lots of good and new things in every design, like the contrast between colors, gorgeous flooring ideas, countertop and minimalist cabinets. White is the most commonly used color, or other neutral, smoothing colors in combination with the wood in light, warm shades. All these Scandinavian style kitchens have something in common. With the risk to repeat myself, they have a simple and elegant design that combine functionality with elegance and a welcoming atmosphere. Besides cabinets, you will find here many design ideas with a large use of open shelves in combination with hanging kitchen furniture. This creates an airy design and your small kitchen will look bigger than it really is. Not to mention that you can display your preferred decorative accessories like spice jars and small potted plants. The Nordic style design is extremely flexible and allows you to easily customize the design according to your taste and preferences. You can add, for example, contemporary, classic, or even rustic elements. However, do not forget that this style puts emphasis on functionality and not on a cluttered interior and extravagance. A Scandinavian style kitchen design is first and foremost functional and practical. Let's see together several ideas from this video. Beautiful kitchen dining area combination. Notice the wonderful combination between the white walls and the light wood color of the flooring and the tabletop. Superb kitchen design with white cabinets, white black splash and light color wood countertop. Pretty spacious galley kitchen with large window and white cabinets. This time U-shaped kitchen with white cabinets and wood countertop. beautiful apartment with quite spacious open space and modern white kitchen. L-shaped white kitchen with modern appliances, large window, large kitchen island and bar style area. Admirably designed white kitchen in clean straight lines and with white cabinets without handles. Small but functional and beautiful kitchen dining area. Beautiful pendant lamp above the dining table. Another beautiful U-shaped kitchen with white cabinets, black splash and black countertop. The same kitchen seen from another angle. White kitchen with black countertop and blue splash. Modern and brand new apartment with absolutely delightful kitchen design. Please continue to watch this video and you will discover more creative ideas. The video goal is to show you beautiful, simple and functional Scandinavian style kitchen design ideas. They are affordable and simple. Scandinavian kitchens are usually very bright and airy. They can be easily customized and styled to fit into any space, any type of the decor. These kitchens are just as beautiful in small apartments as in the large home interiors. Between the brightness of space, refined shapes, well-chosen neutrals, softness, clear lines, the lovely color of light wood, let yourself to be seduced by these more than 60 Nordic style kitchens. Thank you so much for your time and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.